Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable push notifications on the TikTok.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should tap on this profile button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then click on settings, which is the fourth option. Then you should scroll down to this push notifications section, and here you can see your preferences and the interaction section. So tap on this button, and here you can turn on these features such as likes, comments, new followers, mentions, and tags. So if you want to receive a push notification when someone likes your post, then tap on this button and it will be enabled, so you can continue with the other options as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.